there on that branch is a bald eagle here at Onondaga Lake. I've taken a photo and I'll probably share it with you in a few moments. I left my tripod in the car because it was so overcast I wasn't sure if we'd find anything today. I'll show you a little bit more of the lake. There's a few ducks way out there. And out on this bar is a great blue heron. He's kind of cool. So I took a couple photographs of him too. Looks like somebody's kayak or paddle boat got loose. Some ducks and crows down there. We'll sit tight for a little while and see if we get any eagle action. There's not as much this year because there hasn't been much of a winter. It's been quite warm-ish, like upper 30s, lower 40s. Not a whole lot of snow, not making a ton of ice. There was like a week or two where we had it, and of course we couldn't get out because we were sick, but we're better now. So I'll see what photos we can capture. Oh, there goes a crow. Going down for a landing on the bar. Oh, I hear the eagle talking. Maybe he's getting ready to fly? Turns out the eagle was talking to another eagle, looking to fly in to share the tree with her or him.
Is it true that eagles mate for life?
It is.
Wow.
Ah, this series of photos. I swear the eagles said, "Hey, photographer, how far backwards can you bend?" It flew right over our heads. Walking back to the car, go warm up, find a restroom. Some mallard ducks hanging about, and I saw a common merganser fly over. The bald eagles did a little bit of fishing, but there wasn't a whole lot of action. So we'll have to come back another day. Maybe one that's not quite so foggy. Well, here's the lake in the fog. I got down by the car and I found a great blue heron. You could just barely see him through the fog. And now we've got a train going through. Right at the very end of the lake there. The heron was right on this little jetty right here, and it flew off. Something about the stillness, and like there's this haunting beauty about this. I'd say quietness, but it's not quiet here in the middle of the city. But at least we got to see some eagles and some great blue herons. We'll come back and hopefully on a day where you can see stuff. So, till then, bye for now. Hey, we are back at Onondaga Lake. We're actually over at the park, and I'm looking for ducks. I don't know if you can tell, but way out in the middle of the lake is a mix of common mergansers and a red-headed duck. I think here's a mixture of red-headed ducks and some common mergansers. Oh, this is so cool. Actually, it's very cool, very cold outside here, but oh, this is thrilling. I heard reports that there were some harlequins out on the lake too. I don't have much hopes of finding them. Not a whole lot of light again. It's all super gloomy here. I've been taking photos of that, and there's also some type of small grebe. I'm going to have to look him up in my bird book. Maybe I'll attach the name of the bird to a photo and show you here, guys, in a few moments. At some point we are gonna go back over towards the pedestrian bridge, maybe even the creek walk, and see what other birds we can find, and probably some more eagles. Oh, look at this little guy right up close. I gotta get him. He ducked. He's a diving duck. I bet it's some kind of grebe. Will he come back up right in front of me again? Maybe not. Yeah, I think he swam quite a distance. Oh well. I'll just wait 1 or 2 more minutes here, and then I'm gonna try to find the rest of the family because they went on ahead of me. And right out there, I think it's some sort of grebe. I will have to do some checking up in my book. I just took a ton of pictures of those guys, so we'll have to see. What are they? Well, it looks like the sunshine has come, and just in time for us to be almost back to the car. We're gonna switch sides. Maybe we'll have a better view from the other side. There are some ducks way out in the middle. I think there's a few mallards a little closer up ahead. Saw some swans go by, and I got in between the crotch of a tree to get a little bit more shade, and hopefully those pictures come out with the swans and some of the ducks that we got here at the Onondaga Lake Park. There's, I don't know if you can see them, there's some ducks right there. Pretty sure they're mallards. My son noticed the squirrels up in the trees playing. There was quite a few of them, and then he discovered a nest in between the cracks of a tree, and so I grabbed the camera and took these photos. Hope you enjoy. And those are mallards swimming off. I don't know, it's hard to tell on this wide screen, but Clouds look cool from what I'm looking at. Alright, we're almost back to the car. So I'm going to sign off till we get to the other side. We're now on the opposite side of the lake. Hubby's walking ahead of me. The ham is right there. There's a giant mall over there. We got blue sky now. There's a few ducks out in the distance. That's the view of the park. Across the road. So let's wander up to the pedestrian bridge and see if there's any eagles about. So this is the lake when it's a little less cloudy and no fog. And no ice. There's a few duckies right out there. Just barely make them out with my eyes. There's the jetties out there. And over here in what I call the eagle tree, right about there, is a juvenile eagle. We hope you enjoyed this 2-day adventure at Onondaga Lake.
Please like, comment, and subscribe to Naturally Adrift Photo, and we'll see you on the next one.
Hope you enjoyed the adventure.
Bye!
Bye!